Okay, ready? I got this.
Yeah.
Hi and welcome back to Rafi's Vlogs. Today I've created a vlog with my new bestie Clay. Just edit out all this shit.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, today I want to show you what do we do when we have free time here in Japan. My friends told me that they'll be somewhere at 4:20 p.m. but they didn't tell me where though. And because they didn't tell me or send me directions, I'm just gonna have to guide myself with this map and hope that they're gonna wait for me at the station. Right now, I'm on my way to Tsuruoka Station, and the best thing about it is that still I really don't know if I should be going to Tsuruoka Station because my friends didn't tell me where to go, and right now I cannot check my phone because I don't have mobile data here in Japan.
今のここがこの通りがこの通り。はい、この通り。わかった。で、どっちに行きたいんですか？大丈夫。
大丈夫。はい、ありがとうございました。Alright, so I just met like the nicest guy, as you could see. He used very simple Japanese. He helped me a lot. He showed me exactly which way I should go. It was just awesome. And I feel like these are my friends. What?
Why did you take so long? We waited for like 30 minutes.
Are we going to bowling?
Yes.
Yes,
Alright,
and
okay.
after we will eat sushi.
And how about some karaoke?
I'm gonna eat some ass.
Oh, no? Okay.
We don't have time.
Justin, where are we right now?
We are in the convenience store.
Wait, is this the thing from the commercial?
Yeah.
Long, long
Okay, we're getting this.
Yeah.
It's so, like the commercial was so great.
long, long.
So this is a perfect opportunity to go to karaoke, but here Nati wants to go to bowling and eat sushi, which I totally approve. Great idea, Nati, great idea.
I knew you will like it.
Oh yeah, boy.
Okay, go.
They're my professional boots. Nati's going first. I want to see this pair, boy. Look at that strike.
While he's microwaving the ramen and shit. Yeah. She watching me do it. The anime girl come and prove it. I'm putting the spice all up in the cup. She watching me stir it, I eat it all up. Ramen noodles.
Okay, so we just finished the sushi and my two friends Nati and Umi left. So I'm here with Justin right now and we're going to karaoke. Only two because
Our friends left us.
so this is going to be pretty awkward because Justin doesn't know how to order a karaoke room and I don't know it either, and our Japanese is pretty broken. I mean, his Japanese is pretty good, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. There he is. He's doing his best, okay? Appreciate him. What a legend.
Alright.
What a legend.
So basically I just said hi to every single thing I didn't know, and it worked.
So we're gonna choose a song right now.
Oh yeah. What happens when you enter the rice fields?
Let's go. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger and her thumb. Oh my god.
Get fucking copyrighted.
Okay, so we finished the karaoke, and then this machine tells us that we were supposed to end like 10 minutes ago.
That was the first time that's happened to me.
Like this is like good vlog material.
Yeah, good stuff.
Good stuff. Okay, so here we are in Tsuruoka, Japan, in the night city.
It's very dark.
It's a very nice city right now.
There's lots of buildings.
I have to figure out how to get home, and yeah, it's pretty good.
See you tomorrow.
And just like that, I got home. I totally didn't get lost on my way back here. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I tried to make it more fun today, so please let me know in the comments below if you like the style of this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.